Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, today in this topic we will learn one of the subheading, that is global warming, 164 page number of your textbook. As we know that global warming is a serious threat. In the previous video we discussed the greenhouse effect. We studied that when the radiation comes from the sun, these radiations when pass into the atmosphere, it warms the atmosphere, which is called as greenhouse effect. The warming is due to the carbon dioxide gas. But when the amount of carbon dioxide gas increases in the air due to continuously deforestation, as we know that the plants are meant to absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so there is a balance, a natural balance maintained in the atmosphere. If this balance is disturbed by through deforestation or any other means, similarly the carbon dioxide in the air is also from the burning of things from industries. If the large number of industries are settled, plants are cutted to set the industries, it means we are increasing the amount of carbon dioxide gas into the air. When the amount of carbon dioxide increases in the air, the warm air becomes so warm that it may melt the glaciers. The melting of glaciers may increase the sea level. Floods may occur. When floods occur, in drastic changes takes place. Human settlement is disturbed. Animal, aquatic plants, aquatic animal life is affected. Agriculture crop is affected as a result of these consequences. So naturally, we can see the global warming is the increase in the average temperature. The average temperature increases due to this gas, what is we call as the global warming gases. Global warming occurs mostly as a result of carbon dioxide gas. So when the temperature rises more than 2 degrees Celsius, so when temperature is increased by 2 degrees Celsius, we can see the global warming has occurred. This global warming has a wide effects on the rainfall patterns, agriculture, forests, plants and animals. So all these living organisms are involved or affected as a result of global warming. That is why the global warming is a serious threat. So we have to reduce the emission of these greenhouse gases, and such a Kyoto protocol is one of the worldwide protocol that happened in Kyoto protocol in Japan to reduce the greenhouse gases so as to avoid the this global warming threats. So this is a simple term, global warming. So there are various consequences of the global warming, as some of we discussed, that the rainfall decreases, agricultural production decreases, scarcity of food occurs, habitat of wildlife is affected, aquatic life and terrestrial organisms affected as a result of global warming. So we can say that industries are the main source of the global warming, because industries are settled in that area where we have to undergo the deforestation. So during the industry they produce more carbon dioxide into the air, and during the same way the plants are cutted down, which also increases the effects of global warming. So what can we say to reduce the threats of global warming, that we discuss in another video. Stay connected.